Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode here on the Box Breakers. We have for you today Star Wars cards from Topps. I believe these are 2017. Didn't really know anything about these. Not sure that there's really any value in here, but just wanted to check them out and show them to you guys and see what you think. So we've got 7 packs here. We'll open all 7 of these. Should be able to go through them pretty quick. And here we go. Alright, so 6 of them are white, and 1 of them is like this glossier one. So I'm going to leave that one till the end. I didn't know what the difference is in any of them. If you've seen our fat pack theories, you know that we try to go for the fat packs. And anyway, I picked out what I thought to be the fattest of the packs. I'm not sure exactly what, if there's anything like that, but if you haven't seen our fat pack theory video, go back and check that out. That's specific to 2018 Donruss football, and we did pick up some more of those, so we will have an additional video. We've done 3 parts so far. We've done 45 tests of the theory, and we've batted 1,000%. We've been right 45 out of 45 times. So we have another, it looks like probably 15 to 20 packs that we'll test in the next video. And anyway, stay on the lookout for that, but go back and watch the other one so you can learn about the fat pack theory. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. We upload pretty much daily, so if you like YouTube pack openings, you're going to love this. Yeah, so anyway, this video goes out to ScRap's channel, which is ScRap''S, and then channel. Anyway, he's got motivational videos as well as some amazing music on there, so check him out. I've added him to a playlist on my channel, to the Music My Ears Say They Like playlist. You can check him out on there as well. So anyway, yeah, we were on a road trip and we stopped by a couple Target stores along the way so that we could purchase all their fat packs from them. And anyway, we were listening to ScRap's music all along the way. So anyway, this is a special thank you to him and all his support, and just to tell you to check his channel out if you get a chance. So here's the insert card in the back, which is probably what made this a fatter pack than normal. Oh, these are weird. I thought they'd be shinier and glossier. So yeah, this is just the security deal. It doesn't necessarily mean anything. Alright, let's see what we get. Yeah, so that's Jen Urso, right? Battling, what's his name? Yeah. Oh, remember the band guys? I like the band guys from the original Star Wars. I think it was Empire Strikes Back. I had that as my ringtone for a while. The cantina scene. I don't know what this is. This looks like cartoons or something. This is different. Oh, there's Kylo Ren. That's pretty cool. You know, like, we do a lot of grading here, so you can see he's off center left to right. If you were to want to try to grade this, he's also got some chips there. Just a little bit of chipping right there along the side. I don't know if you can see it, but you know, we're probably not going to send any of these in. I don't think there's really any value in any of these, but I just wanted to open some of these packs, check them out, and see what the Star Wars cards were all about. So anyway, that's pack 1. Like I said, we have 7 packs. Let's see how we do. Next pack. Oh, I was showing you the odds while I was telling you about ScRap's channel, so anyway, that gives you a chance to see there's quite a few inserts, in here. So, but I'm sure, you know, some of them are like 1 in 2,000 packs. Some of them are 1 in 4. So I'm guessing what I did when I picked all the fattest packs, I probably picked all the ones with the security deals. And so, I mean, that goes to show you it's not always the fat packs, obviously. Otherwise, everybody would do it. It's just, for some reason in the Donruss football, that works. Alright. Yeah. There's Obi-Wan. Ooh, that one's kind of cool. Flying across the surface. See that? Alright. Oh, here's BB-8. Nice. See how BB-8's centered a little bit better than Kylo Ren was? I don't know if that's a surface thing right there or that's part of the printing. I'm not real sure, but anyway, there's BB-8. Check him out. He's like the greatest thing since R2-D2. Man, cool. Alright, and then here we have, what are these things? The ATM6. I thought it was the AT, I think is what those are, the big ones are called normally. Alright, yeah, I don't know what we were really expecting out of these, but I guess this is just all just for fun, just for your enjoyment. Give you some other non-sports things to look at. You know what, I should have bought a regular pack that didn't have the security deal in it and see how we do on that, but oh well. Yoda and the Younglings. Nice. I like Yoda. Oh, there's Luke Skywalker with Yoda's butt sticking up. Oh man. That's from the original one. Oh, and there's Princess Leia. You can see Han Solo back there. Dr. Jones. Alright. Here's Poe Dameron. He's the guy that gets to work with BB-8. And there's Luke Skywalker. Nice. Is this a... it says 5 of 14 on it. So this might be one of our first insert cards. Not real sure. But it's a cool card. Put a sleeve on this right away. Should have pre-cut some sleeves because this one actually looks pretty good. Maybe the corner right there. Actually, both corners. So anyway, again, we're not gonna send any of these in unless there's some super rare card. But even then, we'll probably just put it on our eBay. We're on eBay at the.box.breakers. They wouldn't let me put spaces in the name to match up with our YouTube name, so I had to put period or a dot in between each of the words. So that's what I went with. Anyway, yeah, we picked all the fattest ones because I could feel. Okay, we got a repeat pack here. Yoda and the Younglings, Luke Skywalker's Impatience. Okay, this is different than Celebrating the Victory. Remember that one from the original Star Wars Return of the Jedi? There's the second Death Star. And we got Finn. Cool. And Rey. So this is a 1 of 14. Nice. Alright, I'm going to show you the trick to pre-cut sleeves. This is some of the trick that Joe at the card shop taught us so that you can get your cards in there without dinging the corners up. There you go. Alright, 3 packs left. Told you this would be a short one. We do have, I think next after this we're going to do this Prestige 2018 box that we picked up. Also, I think maybe we got this one from Walmart on our road trip. Again, listening to ScRap's music all the way. He's got one called Mumblin'. It reminds me of like a Jurassic 5 hit. I can't remember the name of the hit, but man, it is super smooth. If you are into good music, definitely check out my playlist that's got all his hits on it, or you can go straight to his channel. Alright. Yeah, I remember this scene. What's his name's arguing with... What's her name? Ooh, I don't know this. This must be from the cartoon. I haven't really watched the cartoons. I tried to watch it. It was on Netflix or Hulu, but anyway. Well, there's Rey again. cool. We should probably put a sleeve on Ray as well. And then we have Kylo Ren on the number 2 of 14. I'm wondering if those were in all the packs and we just didn't catch it. I'm gonna go back and look real quick. Let's see if there's other ones that we should be sleeving up. Let's see. I want to put a sleeve on Ray also. Well, this says 1 of 7, so that's a collector one. And this one is 7 of 7. Oh, so I think that's what it is then. Let's look at the backs of these. We didn't even show the backs. Well, now they're upside down, but kind of cool. Looks like they form a puzzle. Some of them have information on them. I'm just looking to see if there's any others that say 1 of 7 or 1 of 14 or whatever. It doesn't look like it, so I think we got them all here. So we'll just put these in sleeves real quick. We like to keep our cards protected around here. We use these penny sleeves. We'll put a link to the penny sleeves that we use, so you can go on Amazon and buy those if that's something you're into, collecting your card or protecting your cards. We recommend it. Nothing worse than having something and then putting it in a box unprotected and then years later realizing and then it's no good because it wasn't protected. So anyway, do whatever you want, but that's our best advice. Oops. Go back here, Ray, Kylo Ren. So personally, I like these 3 better than those. Maybe, I don't know. All right, 2 packs left. Yep, we did. We picked all the security packs. So anybody at that Target that wants to try to do something bad, they're going to be able to. Alright, this one looks like it's from the cartoon also. Hunting the Assassin, remember that one? I think that was from, what was it? I can't remember. We already saw this card. There's an imbalance in the Force, that's cool. So, if you can see this on the screen, I don't know if you can see this, but this is the same card. Same card, one's green and one's purple. So I think there's insert. Yeah, the purple's 1 in 6, the green is 1 in 4, the blue is 1 in 3, there's a red 1 in 12. So are these 1 in 12s, these reds? Yeah, I think these red ones might be 1 in 12. Not really sure. But we have several reds. Okay, so we got reds, blues, greens. I see what's going on here. Okay. We should probably pull out all the red ones because they're the red ones are 1 in 12. Yeah, I don't really know all the odds on these. Anyway, the reds are 1 in 12. We should probably pull those out. Alright, Imbalance in the Force green. Then we got Han Solo. Well, that's pretty cool. And we got Rose. Remember her? She was kind of bossy. Rose is number 10 of 14. We didn't pre-cut this, and you can see how sometimes they go in uncut, but it's just easier. Watch how much easier this goes in. Like, it just slips right through. Alright, Rose, you go back there. Alright, we're on our final pack of our Topps Star Wars cards 2017. Let's see how we do. So there were more of these shiny packs. Okay, this is just a totally different set. That's what this is. Alright, so we got the security card. They look the same, but yeah, they're totally different. So we got, these are kind of what I was expecting more of, these shinier cards. Resistance Soldier. I do not remember this, seeing this giant dinosaur. Along the coast of Arch 2. I think that's where Luke Skywalker was hiding out. The Game of Zinbadoli. I don't remember that very well either at all. Something written in Star Wars language. I can't read that. Can you read that? Anybody can decipher that? Let us know. Collect all of the Star Wars The Last Jedi blueprints. This is blueprint number 4. Let's see. Blueprints and schematics. Blueprints, it looks like 1 in 6 on this blueprint card. So that's cool. We'll put a sleeve on that. The Trenches of Karite. I don't know what that is. And Chewie and Porg on the Falcon. Oh, remember these little guys? They're like the cutest things since the Ewoks. I think that's what they were designed to be. Anyway, that concludes our 2017 top Star Wars cards. Next, like I said, we will have, I think we'll do the Prestige 2018 football cards. I purposely picked this one too because it felt like it was busting out of the package compared to all the other ones. So we'll test that theory for you on that one. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. And anyway, thanks guys. We'll see you next time. Appreciate it.